This video is about unboxing and assembling of the Apple Macintosh 128K Homage model with screen picture, felt foot, front piece, the back, as well as inner parts, side parts. There's also a written manual on likey.me/Mac128K. Here you find additional information on how to individualize the screen picture. Finally, in the box, screen window, footer panel, and adhesive strips for the felt foot. Okay, let's start assembling with the inner parts. And after the inner parts, the side parts. The footer panel, and the back. Before placing the screen glass, we have to remove the protection film from the plexiglass, from both sides. This is a little tricky. You can use your fingernails or a knife to pull them off, but then take care that you don't scratch the glass with a knife. Then place the screen picture and screen glass in the Mac and insert the front panel. Now we come to the final step and bond the felt foot with the Mac. For this, pull off the double adhesive strips and stick them on the bottom of the wooden part. Just use your fingernails or a knife to get them off the paper. This takes little time and we can use it to discover the magic of the Mac 128K. What makes this an iconic product? The Apple Macintosh, which was the original name, was introduced in 1984 with the legendary Big Brother ad by Ridley Scott that aired on CBS during the third quarter of the Super Bowl. In the course, the Mac 128K became a bestseller, an industrial milestone of computerization, and a game changer for other industries. But let's start at the beginning. Steve Jobs claimed the Mac 128K to be the computer for the rest of us. And with this, he didn't mean that it would be affordable for everyone. By the way, the selling price in 1984 was $2,499 US, which is the equivalent to $6,140 in 2019. No, he meant that the Mac was usable by everyone because in those days computers could only be used by typing in command lines. But the Mac came with a mouse and a graphical user interface, so everyone could use it, and not only computer nerds. Also, there was a bunch of Mac applications for non-technical and non-scientific use, like spreadsheet calculation and desktop publishing. This conjunction of hardware and software innovation was unique and made the Mac 128K an iconic computer and a game changer of the publishing industry and other industries. Okay, now we are ready to stick the Mac on the felt wood. Please take care to align or realign it properly before pressing the wooden parts on the felt. Now everything is done, you can put pens and business cards in your Mac 128K Homage model.